Back to Summit Sunrise. I'm here with Christy Lee from KO Creative Design, and like we were talking earlier, if you need help with a website, maybe you need to redesign your website, Christy Lee is the person to talk to. Now let's talk about what KO Creative Design does.
So KO Creative Design is a web development group. We do everything from websites, and mobile apps.
Okay, let's discuss the difference between a mobile app and a mobile website. Those are two completely separate things.
Right, they are, yes. And most people do get these confused. A mobile website is a website that is specifically built for the mobile device, whether it be iPad or iPhone or any of the mobile phone devices, specifically built for that. So it's going to be, the content is going to be rearranged and it'll be a little bit smaller, but technically it's a version of your original website.
Okay.
And it is found on the browser.
So you need to actually have like a separate one when people are looking on their phones. They're specifically made for their phones.
Right. The content is rearranged and it's slightly different for the mobile device.
Okay. Now a mobile app is what?
So a mobile app is instead of being a website that is hosted elsewhere, it actually lives on your phone. You can use it without internet. It's got the little icon on your screen and it's specific for your phone.
Oh.
So this is something too, it's marketed on a different platform instead of being, on the browser, it's actually marketed on like the App Store.
Interesting. I never realized that it actually, that makes sense, that it lives on your phone, that you're not actually using your internet. Now, Christy Lee actually has her own mobile app that I use quite frequently when I'm out and about, and it's called Explore More. What does it do exactly?
So Explore More is an altimeter. It will tell you your current altitude as well as your location, and you can take a photo with that and stamp it with your altitude.
This is a lot of fun, especially if you like to do a little hiking, or even if you just want to do like some shopping and dining in Breckenridge. I mean, 9,600 feet, you can take some pictures of yourself, send them to your friends and family really easily. And we can find that app where?
It's on the iPhone App Store. You can also search for Explore More online.
All right, so just one of those options too. So you could actually help people, let's say that they have a genius idea for an app, you could help them create that.
Right, yes.
Okay. Now, Christy Lee is currently redesigning our website here at TV8 Summit. We'll have it live sometime coming up in the spring, which is exciting. And already, just the designs that you've shown us, I mean, vast improvement from what we have going on right now. So just know that we're working on it. But if people, let's say that they want to kind of rework their own website, how would they go about doing that?
So we can sit down with you. We do a free project consultation where we'll sit down with you, look over your website that you currently have, or discuss any project and just kind of discuss what might be the next steps, what we can do to improve, what might be some things that we think would help you make your website more successful, and where do we go from there.
That's kind of nice. Kind of takes the intimidation out of it to be able to sit down for free and just at least discuss where you're at and what you kind of need to do. And then, of course, if people don't have a website but they want to get started, you can build them from scratch too.
As well, yes. Everything from branding, graphic design, logos. We can start right from scratch and build all the way up.
Now, something I know that you're working with us on is search engine optimization. Why is that important?
Okay, I mean, the internet is flooded with websites. Everybody has a website these days. So how do you make your website distinguished from somebody else? Basically, someone punches in a keyword that is related to your business, what makes your website come up above theirs? And that's search engine optimization. It's the art of building websites and marketing your website in order to be found.
See, there's so many different things about websites that, I certainly didn't realize that were that important when it came to, making sure that you have one that's successful and that works properly. So if you have some of the same questions, or maybe you are interested in just, revamping what you have, make sure you give Christy Lee a call, or what's the best way to get in touch with you?
My website, kocreativedesign.com, and I believe my phone number is on the screen there.
All right, you guys, check it out. We're going to take another break here in Summit Sunrise. More coming up, including your watch and win, so don't go away.